Want to boost conversion rate of your website but don't know how to? Follow this complete guide till the end. First of all, see your website. Think what is wrong in the website and what is not going with the flow. Note it down in a proper document so that you can commit up to the later. After analyzing your website and seeing what is exactly wrong, go to your competitor website and see what is right on that website. Okay, what is bringing customers to them and what are the things you are doing wrong but they are doing right. Note those points also in your doc. After knowing what you are doing wrong and knowing what your competitor is doing right, mix both of them and create another doc which says everything you need to do on your website correctly to basically improve the conversion rate. Yeah, because all we are doing to do that. After knowing everything, like what you need to do on your website to attract more customers, after your doc is ready, what are you waiting for? Jump into your website and start building those changes. Let's say you notice that the main hook at the hero section of your website is a boring one, but your competitor has a good one. Take inspiration from that hook and create your own hook. What's wrong with you, man? Do this, and by following this kind of things, picking up your mistake, seeing how others are doing, implement that on your website. Let's say you have saw the image, you are using stock images. First of all, why are you using stock images? You don't supposed to use stock images. Go and click good quality images of your business, of your brand to show up on the website, because website is a game of building trust, not to sell people. If you will going to build that trust, eventually you will going to get sales. So stop doing all this. Okay, now work on the copy, work on the photos, work on the design. After doing all this, go and run a survey. I know it will going to take time, but it is your goddamn website. You have to work on that. You have to put focus on that. You can obviously hire another developer for that, but if you are doing it, run a survey, show it to at least 500 people who are not your friends also, because the decision of them might be manipulated by you. So go to other strangers. Okay, but what you're going to do in the survey, you'll go to the strangers and show them your website and ask their review, what they think about your website. Will they going to purchase your product or book for a call from your services? Will they? And or will they not? And track the answers of the survey and see what the people are answering, and if that feels you legit, and if there is a huge quantity, let's say you send me a website for a survey to ask like, what Priyesh, can you tell me what's wrong and what's not? I'm going to see the website and tell, listen, I don't think so, like this thing doesn't communicating with me, so you can do something about it. Or what you can also do is, in the case of survey, you can ask your customers to do that. You can ask your customers to go on your website and check out like whether they have any change, what they suggest, like what can make them convert. I know it is sounding fishy, but it's again your website. You have to do something. After this survey, you have a good list what you can also improve those changes. Not all of the changes are good enough, but at least you can pick the good ones, like which have the majority. Make those changes and you have a good website which has a good conversion, my dear. So how you can test it out? Yeah, you have to launch your website and see what people are doing now. Now you have a good copy, you have a good image, you have a good branding on the website, you have a proper standard website based on the competitors you have. What do you want, man? Your website is completely ready. So if you don't want to do all this hassle, so you can contact me for all the redesigning and revamping of your website so that you get a good conversion rate from it and boost your sales. So if that is the case, you can DM me on my Instagram or can write me a mail over here. So have a great day, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.